Hello and welcome to lesson 1.3, where we explore navigating the course and how you can get some help if you ever get stuck. Let's get started. One of the key intentions of this little section is that you know how to get help and where to access any backup materials as well. Three different options for us. First of all, we're thinking about the past website. So if you haven't been online and checked the materials on there, that's a great place to make sure you look. All of the course materials are uploaded, and there's contact details for people that you might be able to connect with if you need any help. There's also the WhatsApp group chat, and I encourage you to connect with your colleagues and your other team members in the WhatsApp chat. Make sure that you ask in there if you're not sure about anything or any of the instructions aren't clear, or just to check in with your team members and your team is a great way to get some support from other people who are participating. And of course, we have our hard drive, USB drive copies as well. So make sure that you've checked those little memory sticks and you've explored what materials are included in the folders on there. Perhaps you've already done that, and this is one of the videos that's included, which is great. I'm excited to be supporting you with all this, and there's lots of different ways to get some help. So let's just explore a little activity. Make sure you download the module resources as you're working your way through. Prepare any learning materials that you need before you get started with a module, and also make a note of who you might ask for help and contact details for support. There's a section in our learning journal where you'll be able to fill this activity in. Another important aspect of our course is to do with how we navigate. And I've done my best to include all sorts of different little symbols and ideas that are going to help where you are in the course. First of all, the course is included with lots of different colors, and those colors represent different modules. Each module has a different color, so look out for those colored bars, whether that's in the learning journal or in the slides or in any of the video materials that you're exploring. The colors will help you where you are. And also you can see there'll be reference with a module number and a lesson number as well. This little icon at the end here, this one, is all to do with how much time an activity is going to take. And I've given an indication of how long different activities will last, or roughly how long they'll take for you to complete. But you can spend as much time as you need to be able to engage with the learning activities. Look out for the lightning bolt symbol, because that's a specific activity, whether that's an instruction or some information for that specific activity. So lightning bolt is an activity for you to work on. Look out for this little symbol in some of the little frames that we use, because it signals something that you can add to your toolkit, like a little strategy or a technique that you might actually use with your students. Look out for QR codes. I've included a couple of those, and I know that you'll be able to access the web materials, mainly videos, and you'll be able to scan those and load up what you need. At the end of every module is this little sign. It says, "What is next?" And there's a slide that we'll look through together that just explains what's coming up in the next module. This will just give you a good insight as you start to finish a module, what's coming next, so you have a good sense of what to do. I hope those little symbols and signals give you a sense of what's going on. And in fact, let's have a go looking at what's next. This is the end of module 1. We've navigated our way. We've looked at the course learning intentions, and we've also done an overview and a welcome. What's ahead in module 2? What is next? You're going to begin with an engager task. You're going to reflect on how learning might look different in different places for different people, different perspectives. You're going to think about what great learning looks like. And you'll also have the opportunity to listen to other teachers' perspectives. So there's an opportunity for you to collaborate and to talk and discuss with some of your peers as well. So thanks for joining me for module 1, and I'll look forward to working with you in module 2.